everyone's Susan. Today I'm trying a new recipe. My son came across this on Facebook, I believe it was, and he liked it. He took a screenshot and sent it to me. He wants me to try it, and it's banana bread brownies. And we love any kind of banana bread, banana muffins, anything like that. So I hope that it'll be good. So I hope you're doing great today. I hope life's treating you well, and I love you. And so without further ado, let's get started. For this recipe, you'll need 1.5 cups of sugar, 1 cup of sour cream, 1/2 cup of butter softened, 2 eggs, and it didn't say 2, but I left mine out on the counter to come to room temperature, 4 ripe bananas, 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract, 2 cups of all-purpose flour, 1 teaspoon of baking soda, and 3/4 teaspoon of salt, and 1/2 cup of chopped walnuts. I have my oven preheating to 375 degrees Fahrenheit, and I prepared a 15 by 10 inch pan by greasing and flouring it. So now for the brownies, I beat together the sugar, sour cream, butter, and eggs in a large bowl until the mixture becomes creamy. Now I add in my 4 ripe bananas, and I forgot to tell you they needed to be mashed, and my vanilla, and I just mix it until it's well incorporated. Now I add in my flour, baking soda, and salt to the bowl and blending everything for about 1 minute. Now I just stir in my walnuts and just mix until they're incorporated and spread it into my prepared pan. Now I want to bake it for about 20 to 25 minutes or until it achieves a golden brown color. And while it's baking, I'm going to start on my icing. For the brown butter frosting, you'll need 1/2 cup of butter, 4 cups of powdered sugar, 1.5 teaspoons of vanilla extract, and 3 tablespoons of milk. I prepare the frosting in a large saucepan over medium heat. I melt 1/2 cup of butter until it starts boiling, and I let the butter turn a delicate brown. After it's browned, I remove it from the heat, and to the brown butter I add my powdered sugar and vanilla and milk. And I whisk the ingredients until smooth. And I did have to add a few more drops of milk just to get it to be smooth. You want it to be thicker than a glaze, but not so thick as a frosting. Now you want to ice it on your warm brownies. The icing spreads a whole lot better if you ice it while the brownies are warm. And I did realize that it was still too thick, so I added just a little bit more milk. Here they are. And they were so good. They were very, very moist. And they stayed moist until we finished eating them because this was a huge pan. But it was really good in the morning with a cup of coffee. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give me a thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button if you haven't. Ring that bell so you can be notified when I upload new content. Leave a comment. Tell me what you think. Y'all have a great and wonderful day. Take care. And until next time, bye y'all.